Hey guys, my name's Paris and I upcycle furniture. I've been doing it for about 4 years, so when I'm not at work or looking after the girls, I will upcycle things. It relaxes me, it's really easy, and the end result I actually adore. So I'm going to do some before and after photos to show you some of the pieces that I've done, and most of them are in the house, to be fair, because I don't really want to get rid of them. So I know it's become really popular, so I know people want to know how you do it, or they kind of have an idea, or you're not really sure and you really want to do yours up. You don't want to get rid of them, but you also need them to be revamped. I'm going to show you how you can do that in the next coming weeks, upload some videos, show you how it's done and how easy it can be, because if I can do it, everyone, honestly, I swear, anybody can do it. So if you keep an eye out for the videos coming up as well, and I hope you enjoy them, and I hope you can find some revamped life in your old furniture.